I am fully aware and mindful of the significance of today's gathering, but what I most admire is the strength and the courage that was shown by the organizers in making this event a reality amidst so many debacles thrown them at very short notice. The support all of you had given over a period of time on many burning issues, which all of us had to face during the last few months, no doubt was the foundation for the courage, unity, and the determination that was exhibited. The theme of this year's conference, based on the independence of the judiciary, is not only timely but also opportune, since socially, economically, and historically, we are at an important juncture. An independent judiciary is an essential feature for a functional democracy, where the courts are regarded as temples of justice. The judiciary has been throughout the centuries and is the formidable protector of the rights and individual liberty of every citizen in a democracy. As all of us are fully aware, the three branches of the government, that being the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary, rest upon the basic and the firm foundation of the rule of law. It is therefore an unwritten law that if the rule of law is not observed, the three main organs of the government cannot function, and there would be irreparable damage to the basic concepts of equality and freedom. Therefore, for the existence of an independent judiciary, it is not only necessary but would be essential to ensure that the basic principles of rule of law should be observed at every level to all citizens on an equal basis. In order to guarantee that there is strict observance of the rule of law, it is necessary that a fair hearing is given to every citizen who is called upon to defend himself before a tribunal on matters affecting his rights. These are not new concepts which had emerged overnight, nor are they just theories which had been said without any basis. Of course, it goes without saying, sitting judges should never get involved in politics. Article 13(3) of our Constitution clearly states that any person charged with an offence shall be entitled to be heard at a fair trial by a competent court. In order to ensure that justice is meted out, the judges must be able to carry out their functions in the calmness, serenity, and safety which are necessary for their independence. In order to uphold independence, a judge must be willing and able to make many sacrifices. A judge must be willing and able to sacrifice what others are capable of enjoying in order to uphold such independence. He must stand firm through any and all apprehensions and want of personal benefits in the name of justice. In 1867, Walter Baggot commented that the worst judge is a deaf judge. I believe it is apt to amend this sentiment in relation to this crucial judicial and socio-economic juncture of our country. The worst judge is not merely one who is deaf, but one who also succumbs to pressure. It is as much the responsibility of the judge to stand above it without any fear or favor as it is the responsibility of the legislature, the executive, and the society at large to ensure that they are capable of discharging their constitutional duties without undue adverse intimidation.